This is a very large bird. It is called the rhinoceros hornbill. It is eating things.
Oops, evil.
Then you two have something in common.
No, the bird just looks evil. I'm sure it's quite nice.
You sure? I think it was trying to attack us there.
Really outgrown.
It must be hard to see over its
That
bump.
thing is like way more coordinated than my parrot.
Yeah.
Silly fish. He hasn't landed on his head once. If you watch fish for this long, he will drop
look at
on
his head.
twice.
He's like twitching. It's like,
Well, he did hit his beak on
I
the...
think he was sharpening it.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. I do
No,
not want to encounter
They do that
this
to like
thing.
polish the... It's called waxing. They do that to like polish it.
Pretty bird! He's like, shut up. No, I'm not. Look at this thing on my head.
It's not a tuna.
He certainly is an energetic guy.